Hi there, welcome to Gimkit. You will go to gimkit.com, and if you don't have an account, you can click Educator Sign Up right here in blue. If you already have an account, then you can either tap Login in the upper right or right down here below. The best thing about this tool is that you can always choose Continue with Google. So not another account that you're going to need to create, not another password that you'll need to remember. You'll see I've got a couple of kits here, but if you don't have any, that is just okay. All you're going to do is tap Create a New Kit and give it a quick name like Exam Review. Choose a language, choose a subject, tap on the Next button. You can always choose to upload a picture if you would like, but you don't have to. Here is where you can already start adding questions. So you can create with flashcards, you can add from the question bank, which is really, really nice. So you can see what other things people have made and you can change what you're searching for. So I could say US history. Okay, let me see what this person is. Oh, I love this question. And all I have to do is tap the plus sign. And these questions are added to my kit. You can also choose Add All Questions at Once. You can even pull from previous ones you've created throughout the year. So if there's a question you want to bring back in, you can always do that as well. If you're trying to close this, simply click on that gray area up above. When you're ready, you can always add a new question. So here, you can even keep it as simple as question 1 from review. So if they already have it printed out, and then A, B, C, and D. Yes, you can always type that in. And then you'll see that you can even add pictures to your questions. So if there's a political cartoon or there's a picture of lab equipment, you can always drop that into each question. Simply tap Add. When you are ready to go, you like all your questions, go ahead and tap All Done. And you'll see that your kit is ready to go. Yes, you can always edit later with those 3 dots and tap on that pencil. When you're ready to go, you can tap on Play Live Game. So in Gimkit Free, you have a couple of options that you can do. You'll kind of see which ones there are. Classic mode is quite nice. Students compete for money. You have team mode, so they have to work together with people around them. Trust No One is inspired by the famous game Among Us. And then you also have a couple of popular picks. So humans versus zombies is pretty entertaining. You've got 2 teams and the timer's going down. Floor is lava. Obviously, the whole class will work together to avoid the lava. Really good game for all the students to get involved. You even have an infinity mode. When you've selected the one that you would like, tap on the continue button and make a couple game changes. So you can let them play until a time runs out. You can do a quick race to see which kid reaches their cash goal first. You can see when everyone in the class reaches $5 million. You can give them all starting money. I recommend turning on the answer check to let them see. And then you can also allow people to join in late. Very helpful if a student gets kicked out. When you're ready, tap continue again, and your game is ready to go. Students do not need an account. You'll see it looks very similar to Kahoot. The only difference is the way that they join is different, and you'll see their code right here above. So the way that the students join is just going to a website and joining on in. They can put their name. I recommend putting in their real name so you know they're participating. So it'll give them instructions. So answer each question, you can get upgrades, and you'll even see a couple really fun ideas and gifts and power-ups that they can play with. It's like Kahoot, but it's a lot more gamified.